channel. This look that I did is inspired by a girl. I'm gonna put up her name and her Facebook, but I love all of her looks. This one doesn't even look like the one that I tried to do. Hers look way better, but if you want to know how to get this look, then keep on watching. If you don't, you're gonna miss out. Okay guys, so I did my eyebrows off camera, but if you want a tutorial for beginners how to do eyebrows, I would gladly do that. So now I'm going into my Sephora Pro palette, and I'm going to be using the color Cheddar, and I'm just using that as my base coat before I do my cut crease. Okay, so here I'm just blending it out and fading it a little so it doesn't look like I just pasted it on there. So now I'm going to be using my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and what I'm doing here is for anyone that has hooded eyelids. It helps to put the concealer a little further from where your eye starts to hover over. So now I'm going to be using the same Sephora Pro palette, and I'm going to use the color Sandstone, and I'm just pasting it on where I put the concealer. So here, before I did my eyeliner, I used the color Chopper in the Sephora Pro palette, and I put it in between the brown and the orange to kind of make it flow. But now for the eyeliner, I used the Bobbi Brown Dip Brow, and this part I felt like I was gonna explode. Like, my eyeliner was just not coming out right, so I just cropped half of that out. Here I'm using the Revlon Photo Ready Eye Art to line the eyeliner and put it underneath my eye. Okay guys, so this is the final look, and in her picture she had like a gem in the corner of her eye, but I didn't want to do that. It didn't look right on me, but I left it how it is, and I feel like it came out pretty good. It didn't come out like hers, but you can still rock it. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. I hope you see that highlight though. Like, you see.